Popsicle machine. Different sizes. Uniform distribution of cooling capacity. More convenient to move the machine. Multiple model options. Precise temperature control. Mold is made of SUS 304. Refrigeration style uniformity. Easy to operate. Good quality and fast forming. Shape and capacity can be customized. Exquisite shape and delicate taste. Wide range of application. Client gallery. What our customers say.
Anyways, it's a really powerful machine. I've been using it for like a year now. It's exceeded my expectations actually.